Hi, I'm Marna, and I guess I didn't really know the meaning of circle of life until recently when I realized that the crafts as a child that we did with our dolls, I carried on to my own babies, making them clothes and toys and different things. And now, continuing the circle as an old lady, I am carrying some of the crafts and hacks and that sort of items from my children when they were little back to the dolls. So here I am, and I do a lot of hacks and crafts with my doll collection. I just love it. That's kind of my thing. Buying old dolls, cleaning them up, and coming up with stuff that's just fun and I can share with others. I had a request, as I said, for the Baby Alive hacks and crafts, which I had not done before. I had a couple of Baby Alive dolls in my collection, but I didn't really do much with them. I just kind of cleaned them up and dressed them. Well, I only had the two, and they're both kind of bordering on vintage age, so I knew I needed more sizes. Yeah, Darren and I went on a Baby Alive hunt. We actually drove to another state. We went to Kansas City, Missouri, Kansas City, Kansas, that whole area. We love day trips like that. We had so much fun. We went to the antique malls and we went to the Savers in the area. And Savers is where I found the dolls that I was looking for. I only bought a couple of things. I told myself I can't have it all. It's a Baby Alive hunt. So I did pretty good. At the mall though, I found something pretty exciting. Actually, two of the malls I found something very exciting. The first one we went to had, these are hard to find. What is the exact name? I'm trying to remember. I think they're Trollbots, or Hasbro came out with these. When the girls were collecting and playing with troll dolls, they came out with these for the little boys. And there's a whole series of these little, this one's the Viking and there's others. Anyway, I found this and the price was so right that I went ahead and got this to add to my troll collection. Then at another mall, antique mall, Darren found this damn troll still in the container, unopened. I mean, this is mint condition. Isn't that cute? And he was the right price. And he told me about it. I'm like, oh, I don't need any more trolls right now. It's a Baby Alive hunt. But then we went back and I did get it because the price was so right. And I love the troll dolls. But on our Baby Alive hunt, well, I should show you what else we got from the antique malls. I said before that I collect all things bicycles, and when you add bicycles and dolls, it's just a lot of fun. Check out this, I thought maybe it was a radio flyer, but it is a flexible flyer. Isn't that adorable? And they had 10% off, so I got this for like $10. It's heavy, and look at this, how cute. That's going to be cute in my house. I love, love, love that bike stuff. And I found these items. I carry tote bags when we go on these hunts. I got a Monster High. I quit buying them all, but I do buy the boys. I need more guys, and that one had its clothes and shoes, so we got it, and I got this one. Now, he only had one shoe. I'm okay with that. Darren's got that 3D printer, and he's been making all sorts of things, but isn't that cute? They both had their outfits. They were a good price, so I got those. And on the bicycles, aren't these cute? You can like stick them in plants, put that by your plants or whatever you want to do. I have some ideas for these. I wish they had more colors. These were $1. They're just so cute. fun things. And one more thing of trolls. These are just the new McDonald's trolls. I pick them up when I see them when they're cheap enough. These heads I wanted. I do have some of these. There is a 3D printed body that you can make and put these heads on, or there's a head that goes with them. But I thought that would be cute. I thought there was another one, but that's another story. Okay, and then I also found, look at this. I have been wanting one of these for my dolls. I have my 18-inch dolls upstairs. I have a sunroom, and I have, don't freak out. I have the window shut. The sun is not coming in on them, but they're on their bicycles. And I thought this would be so cute to put a Chatty baby in with a Chatty Cathy pulling it. And I had seen these for about $12, $15 and up. This one I got at Savers for $3.99. Very worth it. Very worth it. Then I got these dolls. Like I said, I got, you know, I like to craft, and I got some good deals on yarn. I thought that was so pretty. This would be real pretty in troll hair. And I'm wondering, I did do a Christmas variegated where I brushed it out for the traditional hair, and I'm wondering how that would look. You know, it's really hard to find the old, good pom-poms. Now they're made so cheap. So I got that for 59 cents. And a bag of flowers. I can always use those on the little outfits. And this was fun. Glitter. And not only glitter, but this bottle, I'm gonna open it up. This bottle could be used for these little Baby Alive. If that were all cleaned up and it's got the lid, for a Baby Alive bottle, you could put water in that and put that through your Baby Alive. That was pretty cute. I bought some Baby Alives. I have 3 that I put in a bag, a Ziploc. I've said before, these great big Ziploc bags are so useful. Many times when you buy Baby Alives used, you don't know what's in there. Kids put stuff through there, and some of the food ideas that I've seen, it's just disgusting. A couple of these weren't real clean, so I put them inside of this bag. I'm gonna get them out and show them to you. All right, let me put my glasses on so I can tell you the dates. Oh, I meant to have ice water. Okay, these are the little guys that I got. They're all Hasbro. Hasbro makes their toys very, very well. I mean, these are to be played with. This is 2013. Oh, and she is a drinking wet. You don't put food through her. I don't see any batteries in that doll. This one, I am unclear on what model I have. I don't see batteries in this 2010. It has teeth, and I know the one brushes her teeth, but you'll see there's no batteries. So I think maybe she's just a drinking wet. It's a small hole too for just water, but she's cute. And it's a different size to make the patterns for her. This is the reason I put these down. I carry these in my car when I go to garage sales and antique malls and such. This one is a really cute doll. It's got face paint, and if you get it wet with cold water, it does something, and we're going to see. 2016. I think it's called Face Paint Fairy. I thought she was cute, but look at the corner of her mouth. I don't know what a child put into this doll, so until I get it clean, it's staying in here. I brought a Chatty Cathy home and cleaned it up, and when we took it apart, it had dead spiders in it. Imagine the Baby Alives. I went and got a cold water for these dolls. Some of them came with clothes, but as you can see, I'm crafting anyway, so let's see. I'm putting cold water on it. That's what the internet said to do. But I'm not seeing it. I mean, it's becoming more, you can see it more. I'm gonna get the corner of her mouth. That's driving me crazy. Oh, I can't, I'm gonna have to really clean that. It's not changing color or anything. Now you tell me in the comments, is it supposed to change color? Or does it just get more prominent? All right, there she is. This was actually the first Baby Alive I found at Savers. She was $2.99, I think $2.99, and she works. And her eyelashes are in really good shape. Her eyes open and shut. Her paint looks really good. A lot of times that's smudged up, especially the Baby Alive lips. But as you can see, she works well. Now, I'll have to work on her hair a little bit, and we'll pull the batteries out and see what we got, clean her up, and make her an outfit. I really like that doll, and I like the challenge. I also found, let's see what size it is. It looked like 18-inch doll outfit, and you know I love to dress them for Christmas. Oh, that's cute. I'll bet that'll fit that larger doll when I get her cleaned up, and when I wash this, I'll give it a try. Isn't that adorable? That was $2.99. I thought that was a good deal. I got another one. I think this is just the mocha skin, same doll. I wanted dolls that ate. I have some food hack ideas I've not seen anyone else doing. I've got a lot of hacks and crafts coming up. Yes, this is a 2010 doll. And I wanted to show you that she also works. She has her original outfit on. I paid a little more for this one, but I didn't care. This was actually the doll I had seen that I wanted. I think she's adorable. And I want the size to work on crafts and find out what fit them and different hacks. Now I'm going to clean these dolls up and do something with their hair. So let me turn it off before I set her down real quick. But this was the doll I had actually wanted. So when I found her, I was pretty tickled. Then I found, and I'm going to need some, oh, I wanted to show you on this one. Look what someone wrote on that baby's behind. I hate mom. I did, when I went up front to pay for this doll, I did show them that and the mess on her face. I said, you know, I was buying a couple others. I said, this one's kind of a mess and it's going to take a whole lot more work to clean up. So they gave me a discount. I don't remember what on that one, but this one too. Now I can't find this doll on the internet. He is, or it is, a 2008 Hasbro from Europe. It is represented by Hasbro Europe, Stockley Park, UK, right there. If you are a Baby Alive collector and can help me out and tell me something about this doll, I would really appreciate it. It is just a drink and wet doll, no batteries. He was, I keep saying he, it just looks like a little boy. It's so cute. And I love those boy dolls. He was marked $2.99, but because he was such a mess and needed cleaning up, I asked him, I said, you know, I had bought other dolls, I think this one, and I don't know which ones, but I said, the dolls back there have hair and clothes, and some of them have shoes, and they're $2.99, and this one is smaller and pretty much a mess and has marker on it. Would you take less for it? And I ended up getting this doll for $1.49. So I took it, challenge accepted. I like to clean them up. And he's a little bit smaller, I think. I could be wrong when I lay him side by side. Yeah, he's a little smaller than these other dolls. And I guess it's about the same as this. But if you know who this doll is, please let me know. Please come back and watch our Baby Alive hacks and crafts. One thing we also bought is food coloring. And I have an idea. As soon as I get these guys cleaned up, we're going to check out a new food idea. Thank you for watching.